Hey, this is BB Haig. I thought I'd post this up in the gardening thread so you guys could see how I fertilize my garden. You can see my wife back there picking some peppers, but anyway, I thought this was really neat and I'd share it with everyone. So right now, what I'm using is some Peter's Professional. It's just a 20/20 general purpose water soluble fertilizer. And of course, I've got my stock tank here. What I do is I mix up about 15 to 20 gallons of concentrated fertilizer at a time. And then I grabbed my Super DOS injector from work and I went to Menards and I picked up some fittings to adapt it to a garden hose. You know, at work we use something a little bit more powerful, you know, it's a 1-inch line. But anyway, so what you hear is that clicking. That tube is sucking the fertilizer, concentrated fertilizer, out of the tank, and it's injecting it at a 1:100 ratio. So it's coming in over here, going through there, sucking it up, and now it's spitting it out through here. And if you come over here through the garden, you can see that I've got individual zones for each row. So this row of peppers here is on its own irrigation. You come over here, you see that valve is open, and then this row of peppers here is on its own irrigation, and that goes for everything in the garden. Come over here, you can see the row of tomatoes here, they're all on, everything basically is on its own irrigation, and that is how I fertilize. I'll show you real quick. What I have installed is these little stake drippers here. You see it bleeds out water at about 1 gallon per hour. Injects it right down into the roots of the plants to help control the weeds. Anyway, that's it for now. Thought I'd show you guys how we fertilize and irrigate our garden.